to see how I make the most juiciest, garlicky, lemony, zesty roast chicken and potatoes. Watch along. First, you're going to season your chicken and your potatoes in your favorite spice. Here, I'm using some chicken poultry spices. Then you're going to add olive oil, salt, mix it all up, add it to your pan. I'm making a huge amount today. That's why I've got 2 pans. We're going to put that in the oven on very high heat, and then we're going to make our dressing. So the dressing is very simple. Lots of garlic, lots of lemon juice, some olive oil and some water. We're going to give it a good mix, and we are going to use this to pour over our hot chicken. You guys don't understand how good this smells once it hits that hot chicken. I'm going to pour it all over, and then we are going to put this back into the oven until it's completely cooked and golden and bubbling, and you can smell the most amazing aromas in your house. You're going to garnish with parsley, lemon slices, chili if you like, and eat your heart out. This is amazing with Lebanese bread, salad, rice, whatever you like.
Hey guys, let's make the best lemon roasted chicken. Wash and pat your chicken really dry. Open it up and season with salt, pepper, lemon, 1 whole bulb of garlic, skin and everything, thyme and rosemary, and another piece of lemon. Now let's make a marinade. 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, teaspoon each of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Juice of a lemon. Mix, mix, mix. Open up your chicken like so. Now pour a little bit of the marinade in there. Bloop. You can see all that marinade in there. Massage it. Now all over your chicken. Give it a nice bath. Transfer to a roasting pan. In the marinade, celery, onions, and carrots. Potatoes. Mix it all up. And goes your veggie. Marinade. Lemons. Rosemary, thyme, and sage. As many garlic as your heart desires. Tie it up. Tuck the wings back. 350 for an hour and a half. And there you have it.
The most tender and juicy roast chicken you've ever had. Hi, I'm Zainab, and I'm going to show you how to make the best roast chicken you've ever had. The trick is to brine your chicken overnight, and I promise you it makes all the difference. For the brine, mix together salt, sugar, some spices, and boiling water. Add ice to cool it down, then add your chicken and leave it overnight. In the morning, remove the chicken from the brine, pat it dry, and stuff the cavity with garlic, lemon, and parsley. To make the compound butter, mix together butter, salt, pepper, paprika, brown sugar, garlic, and parsley. And we're going to rub this all over our chicken and stuff some under the skin as well. I've got carrots, onion, and thyme in a roasting tin, and you want to place your chicken on top and roast it for about an hour and a half. Take it out halfway to baste the chicken with its own juices, like just spoon them all over. Once it's cooked through, let the chicken rest while we make the gravy. Make a roux by melting butter and whisking in the same amount of flour. Add in the pan juices, some chicken stock, and simmer it together till it gets nice and thick. Just look at how easily it falls apart. You know it's